Hi, my name is Dr. Love of the Blue Dragon Qigong Academy, and you're listening to the Kalimba. This is another health minute for the Blue Dragon Qigong Academy. Our purpose here is to teach you how to move energy through your body. Qi is the electromagnetic energy that flows through your body like blood flows through the veins, and Gong means mastery of. So Qigong means mastering your own energy. So in the Blue Dragon system, the energy flows through the acupuncture meridians. So we are actually talking about healing the body, and this is like exercise acupuncture. So we hope you will join one of our classes every Wednesday night at our Love Chinese Medicine office in West Boca, or every morning at Palmetto Park Road in the beach, where we do Qigong at 7:30 in the morning. So contact us and join one of our classes, and then you can learn more about Blue Dragon Medical Qigong. Thank you.